Hi everybody, I'm Kathy Markham. I'm at 215 Brookhollow Drive in Elkins Lake, Huntsville, Texas. This house is just over 2,200 square feet. It's got an additional lot to go with it on the side, and it's got some amazing views of the golf course. So why don't you come inside with me and take a look around. Check out these views. This is hole number 6 of the Lakes Golf Course. It's an open concept floor plan, split bedrooms. It's got a really amazing kitchen. Come take a look over here and you'll see it's got granite, plenty of counter space. You've got a whole lot of room to entertain a crowd, and yet there's still a really nice privacy feel about this entire place. I really like it. Okay, I'm just going to show you a quick opposite view of the kitchen where you'll get a better look at the countertops, the sink area, the island, and then behind me it's got a formal dining room with plantation shutters. Some really nice features. Okay guys, I hope you liked it half as much as I did. Take a look at this view. This is really amazing. So for the amenities of this house, the location and the views, I give it 5 stars. So if you would like to see it in person, give us a call and let us know because we'd be happy to help you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.